In today's video, I have brought complete notes of poem Samay Ki Pehchan from class 10th Karnataka board. Explanation of the same poem I have already uploaded. You can take the link from the description box. So now the first main is एक वाक्य में उत्तर लिखिए. Answer in one sentences. First question is कवि के अनुसार मनुष्य को सुख कब नहीं मिलता? According to the poet, when does man not get happiness? Answer. कवि के अनुसार जो मनुष्य समय को नष्ट करता हो उसे सुख नहीं मिलता. So according to the poet, the one who wastes time, he does not get happiness. Okay. Then next one is बहाने बनाने का प्रमुख कारण क्या है? What is the main reason for making excuses? Answer. बहाने बनाने का प्रमुख कारण मनुष्य का आलस है. Laziness of man is the main reason to make excuses. आलस means lazy. Then समय किसका दिया हुआ अनुपम धन है? Who has given us the precious wealth called time? Answer. समय ईश का दिया हुआ अनुपम धन है. God has given us the precious wealth called time. Then next, कवि किस पर विश्वास करने को कहते हैं? Whom do the poet tells us to believe? Answer. कवि अपनी आत्मा पर विश्वास करने को कहते हैं. The poet tells us to believe in our soul. Next, समय को खोने से क्या होता है? What happens when you lose time? Answer. समय के खोने से जिंदगी भर पछताना पड़ता है. When you lose time, you regret for the rest of your life. Okay, now the next main is 2-3 वाक्यों में उत्तर लिखिए. Answer in 2 to 3 sentences. First question is मनुष्य के लिए सुख की प्राप्ति कब संभव है? When it is possible for man to get happiness. Answer. मनुष्य के लिए सुख की प्राप्ति तभी संभव है जब वह समय का ठीक तरीके से उपयोग करे. समय को बर्बाद करने वाला कभी सुख नहीं प्राप्त कर सकता. See, happiness comes to man only when he knows how to utilize his time. If he wastes his time, he cannot get happiness at all. So you should know how to use your time without wasting it. Then next question is समय का सदुपयोग कैसे करना चाहिए? How should one make proper use of time? Answer. समय बहुत ही मूल्यवान है. पल भर का समय भी व्यर्थ जाने नहीं देना चाहिए. आलस्य को त्याग कर समय को अमूल्य धन मानकर काम करने से ही जीवन सफल होता है. See, we all know time is very valuable. It is precious. Yes, once you lose your time, you cannot go in past and take that time. So only every moment must be used properly. Not even a second should be wasted. Life becomes successful only when you quit laziness and work hard towards your goal. Okay. Then next question is कविता के अंतिम 4 पंक्तियों में कवि क्या कहना चाहते हैं? What does the poet want to say in the last 4 lines of the poem? Answer. कविता के अंतिम पंक्तियों में कवि कहते हैं कि मनुष्य को अपने आप पर पूरा विश्वास रखना चाहिए. जो काम आज करना है उसे अभी करके समय का सदुपयोग करना चाहिए, वरना बाद में पछताने से कोई लाभ नहीं होता. See, in the last 4 lines of the poem, the poet says that man should have confidence in himself. Whatever work you want to do today, do it now. Because when you do so, you are managing your time properly. And if a person know how to manage his time, then nobody can stop him to get success. And those who waste their time, in future they regret for that. Okay. Now the next main is खाली जगह भरो means fill up. First one, जो करना है करो अभी, कल हो क्या जाने. Okay. Whatever you want to do it now. Who knows what will happen tomorrow. This is the meaning. Then next, चाहो तुम क्यों नहीं चक्रवर्ती भी होके. So what if you are a king or a ruler? Okay, Chakravarti here means king or ruler who has everything. Then next is यही समय ही अहो तुम्हारा शुभ जीवन है. This time is your best time. Then next, खोकर पीछे इसे सर्वथा पछताओगे. Will regret after losing it. Okay. Then next one is Anurupta. What is Anurupta? In Anurupta you have to see the relation in the first pair, and that whatever relation you see in the first pair, the same thing you have to apply in the second pair. See here, first one is Alas. For Alas it is Parishram. What is the relation between the two? It is opposite. Alas, Parishram. Alas means laziness, Parishram means hard work. The relation between the two is opposite. So for Nasht also you have to write the opposite. So for Nasht it will be Labh, profit. Then next, Jano, Mano. The relation between Jano and Mano is rhyming word. Yes, Tukant Shabd, rhyming word. Jano, Mano. So for Lagado, it will be Bhagado, rhyming word. Okay. Then next is Dhan, Nirdhan. This is opposite. Opposite of Dhan is Nirdhan. So you have to write opposite of Diya, Liya. Like that. Then fourth one, Jivan, Maran. This is also opposite. Okay. Life, death. This is opposite. Khona, Pana. To lose, to get. So it is very easy, just you have to understand the relation in the first pair, then you will get the answer of the second pair. Then next one is जोड़कर लिखिए, matchup. उद्योगी सुसमय, आलस बहाना, जीवन पल पल, समय अनुपम धन, द्रव्य समता. Then next one is Tukan Shabd, rhyming words. Bahane, Nahane. Any rhyming word you can write. Okay. It is not necessary that whatever I am writing, the same thing you have to write. If you know other word, you can also write, but it should be rhyming. Second, Samata, Mamata. You can even write Shamata. Then third one, Dhan, one. You can write Jivan. लगा दो, जगा दो, भगा दो. Okay. Then next one, जानो, मानो. पाओगे, जाओगे. You can even write खाओगे. Okay. Then next main is शब्दों को शुद्ध करके लिखिए. Here spelling mistakes is there, you have to write the correct spelling. Here it is given Chakravarti, but the right spelling is Chakravarti. You have to correct the spelling of that word. Second one, Chinta. Okay. Third is Nasht. Fourth, Alas. Fifth, Sarvatha. Then Sayam, Sanyam. Then next main is उदाहरण के अनुसार शब्द लिखिए. See, उदाहरण is समय, सुसमय. Here you have to write according to the example. You have to see the example, how it is solved, the same way you have to write. So here samay, what is added? Su is added in the beginning. So in every word you have to add su. Okay. First one, putra, suputra. Su should be added. Fal, sufal. Man, suman. Yogya, suyogya. Yash, suyash. Nad, sunad. Mati, sumati. Okay. Then next main is इसे पूर्ण कीजिए. This you have to complete the sentence. एक पहर means in one पहर 3 hours comes. 3 घंटे, 3 hours. एक पहर का 3 घंटा होता है. Then second, एक दिन 24 घंटे. In one day, 24 hours are there. एक सप्ताह means 1 week. In 1 week, how many days we have? 7 days. 7 दिन. Then एक पक्ष में कितने दिन होते? 15 दिन होते. Then एक मास means 1 month. In 1 month, 30 days. 30 दिन. एक साल. In 1 year, how many days? 365. 365 दिन होते हैं. 365 days. Okay, so here we have completed the whole poem, notes of the poem, question answers, objective, everything. I hope this video was useful. If you like this video and if you want more such video, then hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Till then, take care.